Hello, good day. My name is John Jeffrey Angio, 28 years old, graduate of Bachelor of Industrial Technology, major in electronics from De La Salle University, Dasmariñas. I have worked as a project manager for 7 years, from 2015 to 2022, for a virtual assistant outsourcing company, and as a freelance executive general virtual assistant for about 2 years from 2022 up to the end of 2023. I have worked mainly on administrative tasks, taking on various tasks ranging from simple social media management to CRM handling, website management, and personal assistant tasks such as calendar and email management. I am familiar and have used different project and team management platforms such as Microsoft Teams, HubStuff, Asana, Monday.com, and Trello. I am also well versed in different Office document platforms such as Microsoft Word and Excel, Adobe PDFs, and Google Workspace. I usually work on managing my team, creating SOPs, micromanaging and training, working on CRM automation setup, document handling, simple accounting, and replying to different email inquiries for my previous clients. I have experience with different software and platforms such as Keep, ClickFunnels, WordPress, Memberium, Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, Canva, Camtasia, Adobe Acrobat, and Zippy. As I work as a virtual assistant for US based clients for the past 8 years, I am accustomed to work at night my time. I have my own working space in my house. I tend to just stay at my own house as it is quiet and comfortable for whatever I tend to work or do. I have a Windows desktop with a 10th generation Intel CPU with 32 gigabytes of RAM, partnered with a mid-range graphics card, secured with a pre-installed Windows Defender, and a M1 Mac laptop as a backup. I am available to work right away, and with my skills and experience, I am open and flexible to any offer. Thank you for considering my application and looking forward to hear back from you. Thank you.